So pay close attention to this. This app is used to generate a random email address, like multiple Gmail or email address, so that anybody at all can literally make use of Gmail multiple times. This app right here can be created using AI. So you can use AI right here, any of the free AI, to create this particular app right now. So in this video, I'll be using Gemini AI with anti-gravity to create this kind of app, build the APK and AAB, so that I can literally publish it on Google Play Store right here. So now I will build replicas of this specific app. Then I will literally implement Google Ads, so that Google Ads will be displaying right there. Google Ads will literally be paying some amount of USD per CPM, which is 1,000 views. So if you're just coming across my video at the first time, I am Welly, and the video that you are about to watch right here is just what I'm doing. So do well and smack that subscribe button and make sure you follow. So let me hear from you in the comment section. Say hi, Welly. Let's get started. So firstly, what you just have to do, just for you to go straight to your Gemini AI. So if you want, you can literally go ahead and best describe the app that you literally want to create, just as I also do my own right here. So this is right here where it says short answer yes. All you just have to do, just for you to go ahead and paste another prompt right here. So paste this prompt right here. But before you send it, go ahead and edit the name of this particular app. Change it to the present current app that you are building right here. So what I just have to do next is just for me to go straight to Stitch AI. Head over to this place right here, the first link. So in this place, just make sure you are on app here, just for you to go ahead and be downloading this one that is .html. So any file that is .html, go ahead and download them into your PC. Do them one by one till you finish downloading all the .html file. So highlight everything just like this, and then you go ahead and click on open, so that you can import them straight inside this your Gemini AI. You just have to go ahead and paste a specific prompt. Then go ahead and paste it right here. So just go to this place and click on submit. Go ahead and hit on copy. Start it from here, from the beginning to the end. Highlight everything, and then head over to copy. Now head over back to Google AI Studio just like this. So go ahead and remove this default prompts right here. And again, you just have to go ahead and be removing all this image right here, leaving only the HTML available. So after you do all this successfully, go ahead and paste the prompts right here that Gemini AI literally created for you. So this is right here. Google AI Studio have literally generated this particular temporary email address, which is this app right here. This it, everything is literally functioning very well, and I literally like this interface just as it is very bright. So if you have navigated the app and you find what you do not like, go ahead and also tell Google AI Studio to literally correct it. Now the AB and the APK are literally available right here. So just go straight to this place right here and literally search for APK release right here. Right now, head over to your anti-gravity right here just like this. So if you are getting something like this, go straight to this place right here at the upside. Go ahead and log in with your Gmail address. Go ahead and click on this modem right here on this place. Select any perfect modem of your choice right here. Me myself, I will use this Gemini AI Pro because I just like that modem. Now, head over to this place right here where it says open folder. So when you click on it, it will take you straight to this place. Go straight to locate where the folder is, which is this one right here. Go ahead and click on select right here so that you can add the folder straight to this anti-gravity. So you just have to go ahead and paste a specific prompt right here that we're going to give you right here on this video. So we have to give anti-gravity a while so that it can work everything in order for us to come back and then check everything. So now that you have literally successfully created this APK file and AAB folder for you from this anti-gravity right here, just go ahead and make sure your emulator is actively right here. And then what you just have to do, just for you to go straight and locate all this APK file right here. So to do that, go straight to your file manager right here, locate this folder. So now go straight to where the folder is at the beginning. So this is it right here. Then click on app, click on build. Then also go ahead and click on output right here. Then just go straight to the APK on this place. Go ahead and click on release. Then this is the APK right here that we're going to be installing right here on our Android right here. So go ahead and transfer the APK straight to your mobile phone, and then go ahead and literally use it on your mobile phone. So this is it right now. Go ahead and literally click on it right here so that you can install it just like this on your mobile phone. Click on install and go straight back to the home page. Go ahead and locate the file right here. So this is it right here, which is the APK app among the list of my apps. So you have to go ahead and click on this right now. So this one right here also, which is literally working. So we have to add video advertisement to be displaying on the app that we created right now. So to do that, go ahead and paste its prompt. This is the prompt right here. But don't worry yourself. Go ahead to my bio or my profile right here. You will find a link to go ahead and watch this video on YouTube. Then on the description of the video on YouTube, you will find a link to literally display all my prompts right there. So go ahead and literally edit this prompt. This prompt is literally a master prompt. I call it template. So just go ahead and paste your own app unit right here on this place. So to get your app unit, go straight to your Chrome browser right here. If you do not have an account on Google AdMob, go ahead and sign up an account. It is free. Just with your Gmail address, you have an account right here, and then you go ahead and select your region, then go ahead and click on start using AdMob. So if you find yourself right here on the home page, make sure you get your account verified. This account is literally new. Go ahead and click on payments right here on this place so that you can click on verify. Make sure you get your account verified just like this. After then, just go ahead and click on app right here on this place. Then just go ahead and click on add apps. Go ahead and click on no, the app is not already on Google Play Store, or if you are creating iOS app, click on this, or Android app. So in this case, we are creating Android app. If the app is already published on Google Play Store, click on this place. If it is not, click on no. Now just go ahead and click on continue. Then just go ahead and name it. So you go ahead and click on add. You click on done. Click on add unit. So these are the ad units right here that you usually need to use to display an ad inside that app, and then you will literally earn money for it. So go ahead and select any one of your choice. This is banner ad. Go ahead and put in the name. Then you just go ahead and include this. Then go ahead and click on create ad unit. So these are all the ad units right here. Go ahead and follow this instruction just by copying this. Then go straight to the article and then you paste it right here. So do the same thing with this one right here. So make sure you go through this prompt before you literally go ahead and do everything accordingly so that it can rhyme and align with this prompt. So after everything is done, go ahead and click on submit the article to go to work and create everything for you. After AI have input the ads, which is all the ad unit that you selected right here, so you just have to look for a place to post your app. Then the app will literally generate income for you each time anybody download and install the app in their phone while using it. This is where Google Console account came in. This is the Google Console account right here. Sign up an account with your email address. It's totally free. Go ahead and use organizational account or probably a non-organizational account, but I will advise you to literally use organizational account, which is company or business account, to avoid stories that touches the art. If you select a company or a business, you will literally need a DUNS number, and in any country that you are, you need to register a business right there. I will not be able to explain how you can post an app right here on Google Console account because I don't literally want this video to be that long. Go straight to YouTube, look for some other tutorial teaching you how you can post an app in Google Play Store using Google Console. So a lot of videos are on that right there. So if you are looking for a way to get your DUNS number, if you are using a company or business account, I will literally get it for you just for free, but you will just only pay for my time. So now I want to end this video right here. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Peace out.